The original.
Roro rwetagwo thie na wega.
Yes.
Ndikumenyete wi mwena ucio.
Ndoka ku experience riri. Uria team master iguaga.
Gathemba.
Ya birike yawa. Birike akoragwo nayo.
Good
morning. Good morning.
Mwena ucio anga mundu ni aranuka.
Ni ari mwanukire. Good morning.
Au ena mwanuko.
Chonga them the kingpin. Because you talk about team master. Chonga them the kingpin. Bota ikinya.
Oh, mugitare marigo.
Mugitare marigo. Ah!
Choka mweno ucio ina mwanuko.
Good morning. Yes. Sajamuka.
Shamuka.
Now. This Karago now is like something.
And he says what?
Karago, he like to reply for Murage, that one of furniture. That one of furniture is tell someone. And Karago now, people have greet him.
Karago is this one of turban?
The one of turban. Not the other turban. You see, turban is different. The turban of Mugunyi. Chap got them by the kingpin.
When was you in a row?
The turban one reply to the one of Senator Nyamo. You know the one? He asked.
Karen anymore.
He ran very fast. And he asked, why? Then visitors of comment section, comment operators, they on case of the animal. No, he's a vibe. Somebody. He should keep giving us his tea.
Bueno, you ginya juko ni uraigeria.
Mwana onione mucene.
Ya mucene ra juko.
Bueno, no mwana adufia. Ale adufia ni mucene.
Muige muno.
Now there is this one.
The wife to the other turban man who is wearing his clothes.
Wearing his clothes. And he's still the turban man. Then one involved the name. Mwono tai na mwanduko todo. Ya hari.
Mwono cio ige ya mucene na mwanduko.
Ngira fatara gwethera na maundu muno ogi akinyira guko ni ukuhunia ande.
Mwono cio no amugeni.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Alwe so yizio ko na gwo wa view. Ba ndai wa turu.
Ya kole dufia.
Dufia.
Ai ko viera da ka mirongo ire na ithatu